Got banned from Shopee and don't know what to do? Don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to contact Shopee's support team and potentially resolve the issue. Let's get started. So, you've received a notification that your Shopee account has been banned. First things first, let's try to understand why this might have happened. It could be due to a violation of Shopee's policies, such as engaging in fraudulent activities, selling prohibited items, or violating community guidelines. Now, the best course of action is to reach out to Shopee's support team directly. Here's how you can do it. Step 1. Open the Shopee app. Launch the Shopee app on your device and log into your account if you're able to. Step 2. Navigate to Help Center. Look for the Help Center option in the app menu. It's usually located in the Profile or Account Settings section. Step 3. Select Contact Support. Once you're in the Help Center, browse through the options until you find the Contact Support or Submit a Request button. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Describe your issue. Now, you'll be prompted to describe the issue you're facing. Be honest and provide as much detail as possible about why your account was banned and any steps you've taken to rectify the situation. Step 5. Wait for response. After submitting your request, Shopee's support team will review your case and get back to you via email or within the app. This process may take some time, so be patient and check your inbox regularly for updates. If Shopee determines that your account was banned in error, or if you've taken corrective actions to address any violations, they may reinstate your account. However, if your account was banned due to serious violations of their policies, it may be more challenging to resolve the issue. Remember, it's important to adhere to Shopee's policies and guidelines to maintain a positive selling experience on the platform. If you've encountered any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Shopee's support team for assistance. Thanks for watching.